Hello friends, Heaven here with Trading Experts, and today we're going to talk about journaling, more specifically TraderSync. So the reason for this video is actually I was just finishing up my monthly recap with Ben. We basically kind of go over trades, businesses, and just whole life things in the beginning of every month to review the previous month. And I showed him something really cool because he was asking me how my trades have been going, and I just, in about 10 seconds, I sent him a link to all of my trades for the last month. And Ben, being the old school dinosaur 1942 trader that he is, absolutely blew his mind. Because he's used to writing everything on pen and paper, and I was able to show him how he could save a lot of time and just kind of be able to review his trades a lot simpler and more organized. So I wanted to just kind of make this video to show all of you how you can do the same thing. So as you can see over here on my screen, I have the TraderSync membership options. I was using the free version for a while, and because I really liked it, I said, you know what, let's try and give this a shot. I'm just kind of investing in myself. I think that this is a very useful platform. So I just went ahead and started with the Pro membership. What I did is I just did the 1 year. So instead of paying $30 a month, I essentially paid $15 a month upfront, so $180. And I quickly learned that it was very, very worth the money. For one single reason, honestly. So all the other things that are cool about it is just a bonus, but I would pay $180 a year just for this one simple reason, and that is the ability to auto import all of your trades directly from your broker into this system. And it'll track everything, you know, how many shares you're buying, what price you're buying at, what price you're selling at. It's got charts to go with it. So it pinpoints everything, and you can really make it detailed so that, you know, when you're reviewing your trade, say a month or even years from now, you can really look back and see what was going on, which is really beneficial, obviously. So first thing we're gonna look at is how to actually import your trades. Super simple, right? So you go down here to this little plus sign, you're gonna click import trades, and from there you import from your broker. So you pick whatever broker you have. It literally has everything here. I mean, if you're not on one of these brokers, you're probably doing something illegal. Okay, anyways, I digress. So you would click on whatever you're using, and the instructions will come up right here. All you gotta do is follow those, and then just click import trades. And in a few minutes, it'll import however many trades you have, which could be maybe a month of trades. It could be 5 years of trading. So that in itself right there, worth the money, because I used to spend hours importing trades manually. And so if I could save even, you know, a couple hours a month, that's worth it for me. So after you've imported your trades, here I've obviously already done it. So I have some trades going on. This is kind of just what I have from the beginning of this month. As you can see, a couple losses, a couple open positions. But what's cool is that you get a lot of detail, and you can even categorize all of your trades. So you can categorize them by setups, and then you can also categorize them by mistakes. So it's really cool to be able to kind of pay attention to those little patterns, because if you start seeing the same mistake over and over, you kind of know that that's where you need to focus and see where you can improve. The other thing that makes this really cool is you can actually send your trades to other people. So you can have a public and a private page that shows your trades. So let's say you're doing your monthly recap with Ben, and he says, show me your trades. Super simple. Again, what you would just do is go to the settings. You're gonna go to privacy and public profile. And right here, see your public profile, you can share that with anyone. So you would just copy this and then send them the link. And this is what that would look like. Kind of the similar page as we saw before with all the trades, except now they can actually look at it, but they just can't edit anything. So they can go in, they can see where you got in, where you got out, and even see your reasoning for each trade. So this not only makes it a lot easier for the person reviewing your trades, but it makes it easier for you to keep track of everything. Also, what you can do is adjust your chart settings. So for myself, as a swing trader and a position trader, I really want my charts to show the last year on a 1-day interval. If you are a shorter term trader, obviously you can go ahead and add a different aggregation time and a different time frame. But for me, it's 1 year, 1 day. And if you actually go into your trades, for example, we'll just go into a random one that I have. There's Chewy. You can actually go in and adjust your charts here as well. You can go in and just change, you can configure the chart, and you can change it to 1 year, 1 day, or you can change it to maybe you're looking at 2 or 5 years and you're looking at a weekly chart because you're looking at more macro setups. You can even add charts, so you could have that 1 year, 1 day, and then under it you could have 5-minute chart, whatever it is. Thinking about signing up, you can actually click the link below and sign up for that 1 year at 50% off. And for our Trading Experts members, to make it a little bit spicier of a deal for you, is if you do decide to sign up for the Pro package and you schedule your monthly recap with Ben and you send your trades over through TraderSync, we will actually comp that first year of TraderSync via your Trading Experts membership. So we'll deduct that $180 from your membership. So you get a free year of TraderSync, which means there's zero reason you shouldn't give this a shot. So if you're a Trading Experts member and you're watching this right now and you're still not doing it, I'm gonna slap you. Okay? Okay. Love you. Bye-bye.